Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by cutting power and unplugging the extension cord, safety first. Once unplugged, examine the plug prongs and cord jacket for fraying or melted insulation so you know what to repair. Make sure to have needle nose pliers, wire strippers, a replacement grounded plug, and electrical tape at hand. These let you work quickly and prevent shortcuts. If the cord shows severe burning or exposed conductors, stop and replace the cord instead of repairing it to avoid shock or fire. You now open the replacement plug and prepare the cord end. Strip about 1/2 inch of insulation from each conductor so connections are solid. Once done, twist the exposed copper strands and attach black hot to the brass/gold terminal, white neutral to silver, and green or bare to the ground terminal. Tight screws prevent looseness. Make sure the strain relief clamps the jacket, not the individual wires, so pulling won't loosen terminals. Finally, seat the wires neatly, close the housing, and tighten screws evenly. You finish by plugging the cord into the wall and testing with a low-power lamp or phone charger to verify a steady connection. If it feels loose or you notice arcing, unplug immediately, reopen the plug, and red-tighten the terminals while ensuring the strain relief grips the jacket. Extra wire length inside helps create a slack loop that reduces stress. If heat, corrosion, or repeated looseness continues, replace the entire extension cord rather than risk a dangerous failure.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.